Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to Mid-Atlantic Weather here on this Tuesday, February 9th at the 10 o'clock hour. Let's take a look at the temperatures across the area. And it's pretty mild for the 9th of February with readings in the mid to upper 30s across Maryland into Delaware, southern New Jersey, a little bit milder to the south with lower 40s into central and southeastern Virginia, and across southern Pennsylvania, it's a little cooler with readings in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Our next stop is going to be the outlook for tomorrow, and this is valid at 6 p.m. on Wednesday. And you can see the precipitation moving into West Virginia, Virginia, and Maryland. We have snow to the north, snow across northern and central Maryland, mixed precipitation just to the south of that frontal boundary, and then rain across southern and southeastern Virginia. This is a look at the current watches and warnings. And there's a wide range of activity going on here from northern Texas, where we have winter weather advisories. We have ice storm warnings for much of the state of Kentucky, moving in to the southwest to northern Arkansas. And then more locally, we have winter storm watches posted for much of West Virginia, even some winter storm warnings in southwest West Virginia. I do expect these watches and warnings to expand eastward during the day on Wednesday. As the situation develops, we should see some winter weather advisories or winter storm watches posted for much of Maryland, southern Pennsylvania, and northern Virginia. Let's take a look at the GFS model and see how it envisions this playing out. So we have a situation here where this is not a cohesive nor'easter that's going to pound the eastern seaboard with heavy snow. This is a 1-2 punch of waves of energy moving over cold, dry air at the surface. It's known as overrunning precipitation, and it's going to come in two different waves. One, Wednesday night into Thursday. The second is going to be Thursday night into Friday. The snow is not going to be particularly heavy. It usually is not with overrunning precipitation, but it is a long-duration event, so we'll have to see when the new information comes on Wednesday, we can start fine-tuning some of those accumulation predictions. As we move forward here in the GFS, you can see that first round moving into Maryland, northern Virginia, and Delmarva. Southern Pennsylvania, we have some light snow. Southern New Jersey, we have some light snow, and then light to moderate snow across Baltimore, D.C., and northern Maryland. And then on Thursday afternoon, there's a bit of a break, and then there's a second round of snowfall that comes into the region for Thursday night and Friday. And then we have a little bit of break after that before another system moves up into the region over the weekend. The GFS has been back and forth on the location of this low-pressure system, so we're going to have to wait a little bit, and let's focus on this first system before we start talking about the weekend. Here's how the computer forecast models are envisioning the snowfall amounts in the Mid-Atlantic region. We have the GFS, which has the heaviest snow just to the west of the Washington, D.C. area and western Maryland, western Virginia. We have the Euro, which pushes the heaviest snow to the south of the Washington, D.C. area. And then we have the Canadian, which is kind of in the middle with moderate to heavy accumulations across central Maryland into central Delaware and southern New Jersey. Again, I think some of these snowfall predictions are a little aggressive with overrunning precipitation. Even a long-duration event like this, it's probably going to be hard to get 6, 7, 8 inches. But again, we'll update our forecast on Wednesday as the new information comes in. I think several inches are definitely likely in this area, but I'm not sure about the 6, 7, 8 inches that some of these models are predicting. Well, folks, thanks for tuning in, and we'll have more updates throughout the day on Wednesday as this winter weather situation develops. Thanks for checking out Mid-Atlantic Weather, and we'll see you next time.